Hey there fellow car nerds, welcome back to MG Guy Vintage Vehicles. Greg here with a new kit car vehicle video showcasing some of the hottest vehicles available for sale across North America this week. You'll find links in the video description below for each of these vehicles. Alright, enough talk, let's get on with today's kit car vehicles for sale.
So out for a drive in the Devin MG right now just to show everything's working. All the gauges. Actually has an extra oil gauge for some reason. The oil pressure is over here. Everything else is working right now. Beautiful day here in Virginia on the back roads. Like an adult go-kart. Thing handles so flat, very quick, absolute blast to drive.
Okay, let's get started with this 1958 Devin MG, listed for $49,500 US in Lynchburg, Virginia. Its condition is listed as used good, and from the seller's description, 1958 Devin MG, inspired by the Ferrari 750 Monza and the Ermini 357 Sport, the 295 body as fitted to this car was a versatile and affordable option for sports car enthusiasts. Fiberglass body, 1958 MGA chassis, MGB 1.8 liter engine with cross-flow head, larger twin SU carburetors. Also included with the sale is an extra overdrive transmission. And up next we have this 1939 Jaguar kit car on a 1986 Mustang chassis, listed for $18,000 US in Big Stone Gap, Virginia. It's been driven 22,140 miles and has an automatic transmission. From the seller's description, short and sweet, will trade for something of equal value. Alright, here we have a 1983 Mazda RX7 with a body kit, listed for $12,000 US in Groton, Connecticut. It's been driven 6,000 miles and has a manual transmission. From the seller's description, RX7, Bridgeport 12A, no leaks, no issues starting, not perfect on rust but was undercoated at some point in its life, imported authentic body kit, car's not perfect but rare, loud and reliable, trade for Hondas. And up next we have this 1955 Porsche 550 Speedster, listed for $54,550 US in Evans City, Pennsylvania. It has a manual transmission, and from the seller's description, 1955 Porsche 550 Spider by Beck Development in Upland, California, air-cooled 1835cc Class 11 Baja race motor, dual MP HPMX 40 carbs, brake system is front disc and rear drum, and are fully blended and working great. Get in, start, put in gear, drive. All you have to do. Okay, here we have a 1966 Volkswagen SPCN listed for $19,000 US in Albuquerque, New Mexico. It's been driven 48,000 miles and has a manual transmission. From the seller's description, 1966 Volkswagen and trailer. The model is SPCN. It was modeled after a VW thing. Manual 4-speed transmission. The trailer was custom built and the year on it is a 1991 with a permanent tag. Both clean titles. $19,000 or best offer. Alright, here we have a Ford T-Bucket listed for $17,500 US in Yorkville, Illinois. Its condition is listed as used good and from the seller's description. 350 engine, mild cam blower, 700 Holly, 450 turbo transmission, a few other extras, $17,500 or best offer. Okay, here we have a 1985 EM Shelby Cobra replica listed for $37,000 US in Wardsboro, New York. It's been driven 1,600 miles and has an automatic transmission. From the seller's description, another one that's short but sweet. Call for details, $37,000 or best offer. And here we have a 2007 Volkswagen Beetle with a truck body kit listed for $7,500 US in Boise, Idaho. It's been driven 45,760 miles and has an automatic transmission. From the seller's description, 2007 VW Beetle with pickup conversion kit, 5-cylinder 2.5 liter engine, 150 horsepower, front wheel drive, automatic transmission, fun gas saver car with leather, sunroof, power windows, heater and AC work amazing, doesn't have any issues at all, has a rebuilt title, open to trades, looking for a tilt deck trailer or dump trailer, or open to any trades. No Harleys or dirt bikes. Alright, here we have a 1929 Mercedes Benz kit car listed for $5,500 US in Parsippany, New Jersey. Its condition is listed as used like new and from the seller's description. The shortest and sweetest so far. Volkswagen engine. Alright, bringing up the rear, we have this one. It is a Project, a 1970s Corvair Dune Buggy, listed for $2,000 US in Sylvania, Ohio. Its condition is listed as used fair and from the seller's description. Early 70s, 4-speed manual, drove it into the barn 8 years ago and haven't driven it since. Local pickup only, will need a trailer. No title, bill of sale, $2,000 or trade for some sort of tractor with a front loader. Okay, so that's it for today's vehicles. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are enjoying my content, please consider becoming a channel member by clicking the join button below or using the link in the channel details below the video. For about the price of a cup of coffee per month, you'll not only be helping me produce these videos, but you'll have access to each and every video before they go live on YouTube, usually around 24 hours ahead of the videos going live. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.